You are with Dr. Nita Chhinzer, and in this episode we will be discussing AI and data analytics. Fundamentally, AI-based systems can automate analysis at greater speed and accuracy than humans can. Research shows that they could screen initial applicants 75 to 90% faster than humans, and that they are between 25 and 100% more effective in differentiating between good and bad candidates. Moreover, AI can use learning to identify alternative words on resumes that align with the words in the job ad. With machine learning, AI-based recruitment software can be fed previous applicant profiles, and the system can deduce and learn the factors that hiring agents used in the past recruitment decision. The system then replicates the same decisions on its assessment of future applicants. More advanced systems can also use video-based employment interviews for signals like face expression or voice modulation to determine an applicant's suitability for the job. For some tech-enabled online recruitment, candidates are asked to work through a series of puzzles which can evaluate their cognitive traits, such as risk aversion. For example, a game can play with virtual money and wager and gamble, or we can count how many times they pump air in a balloon before it pops. The recruitment software then analyzes the results to determine how an applicant perceives things and is likely to demonstrate certain cognitive traits. As amazing as all of this sounds, there are some risks. Some researchers warn that relying exclusively on AI and technology strips the human element from the recruitment and selection process. For example, we don't know how applicants react when they find out that an algorithm, rather than a human, is making hiring decisions. Does it affect their commitment to the organization, their sense of self-worth, or their feelings of alignment? In addition, AI systems build selection decision rules based on multiple data points and have been known to perpetuate previous biases embedded in prior decisions. This might result in applicants of certain groups of categories being over or under selected by AI. It can also result in errors being duplicated or perpetuated. For example, a financial services company might hire people assuming that what matters to job performance was the school that the applicant went to and the grades that they earned. However, statistical analysis might find that the schools and the grades did not impact employee performance or outcomes. Yet, they were programmed into the system based on prior biases. Some call this the garbage in, garbage out concept, suggesting that AI is not the problem. Instead, human biases before AI adoption are the real problems. There are also concerns with deepfakes in interviews that didn't exist a few years ago. In 2022, employers noted an alarming rate in the number of fraudulent job applicants. Essentially, people copying and pasting someone else's resume or impersonating others in job interviews. AI and deep learning is part of the deepfake technology that can make someone appear as someone else. There are also recent cases where a job applicant hires someone else to take the interview and stand in for them, essentially doing a switch and bait when the job is secured. During virtual interviews, it may be helpful to record the interviews in case if this situation arises. As technology continues to advance, we have to be more purposeful in our approach to adopting it when it comes to recruitment. Discussing and highlighting these recruitment-based strengths and weaknesses is just the tip of the iceberg. I encourage you to keep learning and reading and conversing about this as it continues to evolve.